So I want to give you field sobriety. That's why.
Okay. I do not consent to a field sobriety test.
You don't?
No, I
Why not?
don't. I don't answer questions.
Are you one of those,
This video shows a tense traffic stop where a driver firmly stands on his rights. The officer claims he smells alcohol and requests a field sobriety test, but the driver refuses, saying he hasn't been drinking and asks for a supervisor. The situation grows tense as the driver insists he did nothing illegal and wants to leave. This case highlights the clash between a citizen's rights and an officer's authority during a stop.
that recording?
Yeah.
Good. So what's your issue, Mr. Schrader?
I don't answer questions.
You don't?
No.
Why not?
I don't answer questions.
Why don't you step on outside and give you a field sobriety test?
I do not consent to a field sobriety test.
Why don't you step out?
Want me to step out? Okay.
Why am I being detained?
So I want to give you field sobriety. That's why.
Okay. I do not consent to a field sobriety test.
You don't?
No,
Why
I
not?
don't. I don't answer questions.
Are you one of those sovereign citizens?
No, I'm not a sovereign citizen. I will answer that question.
Okay. Then what's your main malfunction here today?
I'd like to speak to your supervisor, please.
Why is that?
Because you pulled me over for an inspection sticker.
Mm-hmm.
You see that the vehicle has just been registered.
Still valid stop. Have a reason to look at your ID
Yes.
and your insurance. Run your license. Make sure you're valid.
Okay.
And then when I'm sitting there talking to you, it smelled like what I detected was alcohol. So I just want to give you a field sobriety test. Make sure you're good to go.
Tony, I haven't drank alcohol in I don't know how long, years.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So, and I've not had no alcohol in this truck.
Okay. Then maybe I'm off, but if I detect it, then
And
why
wait a
can't-
minute, the wind is blowing what, 15 mile an hour that direction?
I don't know.
You know, it's about 15 mile an hour. I know.
Okay.
I'd like to speak to your supervisor, please, because I'd like to be free to go.
He's going to tell you, saying, just consent to the test and be done with it. If you haven't had anything drink and you're good to go, you're good to go.
Okay. But I'm not consenting to a field sobriety test. There's no law saying I have to.
You're right.
Okay. So what's your probable cause to hold me here?
I'd like to give you a field sobriety test, make sure you haven't been drinking. Did you have your seatbelt on?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
I'd like to speak to your supervisor.
Stand by.
Thank you. You guys don't have body cams? Oh, you do on your mic? Huh?
Recording.
Do you also have one in your car?
Sure do.
Good.
Good. I haven't done anything wrong. But
Why are you still holding me here?
because I've explained to you. How are you, sir?
Pretty good. How you doing?
Good. How can I help you?
I just like to know why he's holding me here, you know? I just like to be free to go. I've done nothing illegal. You know, I understand why he pulled me over because of the inspection sticker.
Right.
But, you know, I just tagged the vehicle and I'm legal. So he sees that on his paperwork and I just like to be free to go, you know?
Have you complied with what he's asked you to do?
Complied with,
I don't know. I just got here.
he asked me to do a field sobriety test and he told me he smells alcohol in the vehicle. Now, I don't drink, all right? I haven't drank in a long time. Do you smell alcohol on me?
I just pulled up and the winds are blowing.
You
so-
want,
No, I'm,
downwind from me?
I'm talking to you.
All right. I don't drink.
Okay.
All right. And he's just, not used to things. He just, I don't know. Actually, I've met Tony before, but I'm sure he don't remember that incident. But, maybe he does. Maybe that is why he's just holding me here. But I'd just like to be free to go. Can I be free to go?
All right, let me talk to him real quick.
Okay.
All right. I'll get right back with you.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't answer their question.
That's fine.
All my information's on my ID.
Okay. Well, that's all I was just asking to see if you still live there. That's all.
Okay.
Because I go up down by you. You see me all the time, right?
I sure do.
Okay. You're good
I'm
to
sure
go.
you see me there once in a while too.
I do. That's why I'm just asking. Yeah. There's your info, sir. You're free to go.
All right. For the public records, I'd like copies of his body cam and his dash cam. It's public record, sir.
No, it's a court case.
I assure you, it's public record. All right.
You get a subpoena, you can have it.
I don't need a subpoena. Trust me.
You're free to go, sir.
Thank you, sir. You have a good day.
In the end, the supervisor steps in, hears both sides, and allows the driver to leave. The driver stays calm, requests copies of the officer's body cam and dash cam footage as public record, and then drives away. This ending shows how standing firm and keeping composure can diffuse a tense moment and lead to a peaceful resolution without further conflict. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments.
Here is another case.
This video shows a tense traffic stop where a driver firmly stands on his rights. The officer claims he smells alcohol and requests a field sobriety test, but the driver refuses, saying he hasn't been drinking and asks for a supervisor. The situation grows tense as the driver insists he did nothing illegal and wants to leave. This case highlights the clash between a citizen's rights and an officer's authority during a stop.
Yeah, they blocked my way. That's ridiculous. This is crazy. So anytime any officer asks me for a license, I have to show it.
Under South Carolina state law, yes, sir.
So I'm walking down the street, you stop me, I gotta show you my license under that law.
Walking down the street is something totally different than you operate a motor vehicle.
Is it?
Yes, because you're walking, you're not driving a car.
Oh, is it? Okay. So you're not allowed to ask me if I'm walking the street.
I can, but you don't have to reduce it just by walking unless you've committed a crime.
That's what I said.
Driving is
I didn't
not
commit a
privilege.
crime.
Driving is not a walking, you're right, driving a it's a car. privilege.
Is it a privilege? It's
Yeah,
a
it's
right.
not a right.
It's a right to
No,
travel.
it's not. It's not.
It's a
Not
right
a
to
right.
travel.
It's a privilege.
Is it?
If it was a right, you would have.
Interesting.
Why do you go to the DMV to get your license in?
Interesting. Could you guys make us?
Huh?
Could y'all make us?
But you have to pass the test, you have to do all the stuff.
Yeah, because you guys make us. I'll do enough, but I'm not going to have you guys violate my right, which you already did anyway. But I don't want to go to jail.
Nobody's violating
I'm a
your rights.
law-abiding citizen. I'm one of the good New Yorkers.
And like I said, all I'm trying to do is get your ID, man.
Listen,
I'm not
Dad.
trying to take
Listen,
you to
Dad.
jail.
Listen,
I'm not trying to take
My
you
family
forcibly
did
remove you
not.
from
My
the vehicle.
family did not serve, so I have to show my papers anytime an American trooper asks me. I gotta show my papers.
Well, under state law, you're required to. Anytime
interesting.
you're operating a motor vehicle.
Yeah, we're gonna see about that.
What's that?
We're gonna see about that.
You can see all you want. I'm telling you, it's state law. You just read the
Sure.
statute to you.
Sure, we're gonna see about that. It's okay. You got it though. You got my license. How much longer do I have to wait now?
So we get the information back from the driver's license, make sure everything's good.
It's been like 30 minutes now. I'm being detained. Jesus.
Do what?
It's been like 30 minutes I've been detained.
That's because of you, not because of us.
Is it? It's me? Well, you got my license. You can take the car out the way now. No? You think I'm gonna run with you guys having my license? You don't answer questions either? You don't answer any questions? Yeah, it's good. Can I get my license back so I could go, please? I'm very tired. You could do that in North Carolina too?
Yeah.
You could do that in any state, or it's just South Carolina that thinks they could do that?
What's South Carolina law? I don't know anything. I don't know what
You're
North
not sure of
Carolina
any-
laws are. I don't work for the state of North Carolina.
What do you work for? You're federal, right?
We work for the South
Yeah, the
Carolina
state
Department of
troopers.
Public Safety.
Interesting. You really gotta have that bright light on me like that? Yeah, I didn't have it like that before. That's ridiculous. Look at this. Is that necessary?
What's that?
I gave you my license. Can you get rid of that spotlight? That'd be great. There's no need for it. Please? Is that a no or yes? You could keep rolling eyes all you want. I still think you're a good guy. It's just, I'm not gonna show you my license if you don't threaten me with arrest. That's it. You just want people to listen and comply?
What's that?
You just want people to listen the first time you guys say something? Do whatever you guys want?
I mean, I'm out here trying to enforce the laws of South Carolina, the state laws.
There's no forcing of laws here.
There's no enforcing the laws here?
No, there's no forcing of laws in this corner. You just check people's papers. You're not even checking for DUI. God dang. I could see the DUI, sure. But just checking papers just to see if somebody has a license? Jesus. You're checking their papers and effects, correct? Isn't that the definition of...
I'm making sure you are a licensed driver to drive in the state of South Carolina. Yes, sir. If that's what you want to classify it as.
How's that? Can you get the car out of my way, please? Thank you.
You need to get South Carolina driver's
See you later. See you later. Mind your business. Mind your business. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Come on, you can do it.
In the end, the supervisor steps in, hears both sides, and allows the driver to leave. The driver stays calm, requests copies of the officer's body cam and dash cam footage as public record, and then drives away. This ending shows how standing firm and keeping composure can diffuse a tense moment and lead to a peaceful resolution without further conflict. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments.